Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you, back with another blind unboxing. And today we have the SoundCore Motion Boom Plus. Yep. I'm going to try to cut this apart nicely as I can, not to kill myself. I see where, okay, there we go. Got it. So this is, I think, one of the larger Bluetooth speakers I've ever used. I've seen some larger ones, but never used them. Okay, here we have some documentation, and it looks like a charging cable. User manual. This one has an app that comes along with it. Well, I don't know if I'm going to take this apart, actually. It'll be pretty easy to use once we get her paired up and everything. But this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's see, anything else over there? Nope, nope. Oh, the strap. I don't really have any plans for this. I just saw it was on sale. Thought I'd give it a shot. I probably will film a review of it soon. That's a nice quality strap there. Got the buckles on the side. So, yeah, that's pretty heavy duty. Does not feel like they cheaped out on that. I was hoping that there would be a power brick of some sort in here. Maybe there still is. I'm not getting hopeful, though. Losing hope. All right, so take off that one. Looks like the other one fell off. Did we miss anything? No. So there is no power charging brick. Hopefully the ones that I have will work. I mean, I've got USB-C bricks. It'd be nice to have one have another one so I don't have to keep reusing the same one, you know. All right. Here's the speaker. It's fairly weighty. I mean, it's not like horribly heavy, but it's got some decent weight to it, which is good. I don't want it to be too chintzy feeling, because then I don't think it would be as high a quality. But this is your typical boombox type speaker. Now this one does have some extra features. Let's see. Okay, so this is, I think it's water resistant and dust proof. If I can get in here, I can get this thing open. Nope, there it is. All right, so I found it. There's your flap. You've got your power. This can also be used as a battery charger for your phone, as well as an aux port. So while we're here, let's see if we can power this baby on. All right, hold on the power button. Hear that? And we are on. And it's in pairing mode. I don't want to do that yet, so we're going to power down. But yeah, high quality unit. This would be great, I think, for like a deck party, take it to the beach, something like that. Ooh, we got some peel moments here. Ugh. Ooh, stick to the table. Ooh, stick to the table. Ooh, nice, very nice silicone rubber feet. All right, so that is the SoundCore, of course, by Anchor Motion Boom Plus. Stay tuned for a review of this. It may not be until next year, which of course is December, but I'm thinking probably it won't be until January. However, I'm still planning on reviewing this, so look forward to that. I thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this kind of content, please be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and also check out my links down in the description below. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.